Hi everyone, this is Angga and welcome to the class. So, in this class, you will be able to learn about how to design the splash screen, home screen, and then single screen in the Sketch app from Mac. After you design the mini screen, you will be able to learn about how to make it into animation with a Flinto for Mac. So, the first step, you design all of screen, and the second step, you want to make into animation with a easy and simple step. And then, in the last section, you want to learn about how to record your animation and save it into video animation. Okay, so I hope you can interesting about my class, so join me on this class.
Hi everyone, this is Angga and welcome to my video. So in this video, we will design the splash screen for Block app using Sketch app for Mac. Okay, so I will create a new document here and choose. And then we need to create the new artboard. We go to insert and then artboard, and I will choose the iPhone SE here. So before we start to design, we need to change the name of artboard right here. You can change it for splash screen. Alright, and then I will create the illustration for our application. We can zoom here. Okay, I will create insert, shape and rounded, and we can create here. Next, I will remove the border color here and click here, and then we can edit the shape, and I will click here to create a new point and click here to create a new point, and we need to zoom again and click here and remove the corner here, and then we can create like this. Okay, and after that we need to create the lines here to modify the shape. So we go to insert, shape and line, and then we can create like this. Okay, and setting the thickness to 2 pixels. We're gonna check first. No, I should increase the thickness. It's 4. Yes. And then I will duplicate these lines and resize, and you can move the line of copy like this, and we can duplicate again. Okay, it's enough. And then I will group this layer, group, and select all of them and make it to center. I think it's bad. We can manual like this. Okay, after that select the rectangle and go to fill, and then I will change the color with the red color E74C3C. Okay, and select the group and select all of them inside the group and change the color to white like this. And after that we need to create the text here for our application. We go to insert and text and click here. Our application is called read. Okay, the name of application is read, and then I will change the weight to regular and change the font size to 36 like this. Maybe I will change this weight to like, yeah, it's good. Okay, so next we can group all of them, group selection, and change the name to logo, and then make it to center with these tools like this, and then make it to middle. No, we go to top. Okay, it's enough. And after that, I will create the button here for getting started. So we go to insert, shape, and then we go to rounded, and we create the button right here and make it to center, and go to bottom and setting the radius to 5 and remove the border color and select this rectangle and move to the top 1 2 3 4. All right, and then I will create the text here for get started. So we go to insert and text, and we click here to get started. Okay, and we're gonna to change the font size to 20. Okay, and I will change the button color to red, and I will change the font color about get started to white color, and I will select the rectangle to give the shadow color, and click color and change the shadow color to red, and then we're gonna to increase the blur to 10 and the Y is 4. Okay, so we need to create the background here. First, select all of them layer and create the group selection, and you can change the group name to get started button. Okay, you can organize all of them of layer. Okay, so we go to insert, shape, and rectangle, and then we can create the background here. And first remove the border color, and we can move here like this, and I will change the background color to maybe black. Okay, no, it's not good. Yeah, I will change the border color to 4A 4A 4A, and I will change the height of background like this. Okay, and select the logo and select the red to change the white color like this. Okay, and we need to zoom and select the button and open the group and create and select the rectangle tool and click here and change the opacity here to 50. Okay, it's 50. So this is the splash screen for our mobile application. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. So in the next video we will design the login screen. See you. In the previous video I told you about we will design the login screen, but we're not. We will design the home screen, so I'm sorry. Okay, we just need to duplicate this layer, duplicate, and then we can change the name to home screen. Home screen. Okay, it's pretty cool. So I select the home screen, and then I will select the group and remove. We can delete. Okay, so I will select the rectangle tree and change the name to BG, and we can resize like this. I will resize to 250 pixel. You can see here 250 pixel. And then you need to know that I have prepared the photo stock for our article. So we need the photo, we need to create the article. So I will copy this photo, I will copy, and then I will select the BG and paste here. Okay, and after that I will select the BG layer and click right and mesh. So the photo will get the masking here, so we need to zoom out, or you can press the command 2 and resize the photo, and command 2 and resize again like this, and just make sure the photo to center like this, and you will get like this. Okay, and after that I will create the title here. So I will select the group, I will select all of them and click right and group selection. Okay, and you can give the name is big article, and then I will go to insert text and create new text here, and you can change the font size to 36. Sorry, it's too big, so 24, and the font color is white, and the weight is regular. So you can type something here. By example, I will type the simple article. Move on, it's good for you. Okay, it's only sample, and I will change the height line to 28. Okay, and get the shadow here, shadow like this, and setting the opacity, you can setting the opacity here to 30. Okay, and then I will change the weight to like again. I think it's good. Okay, and then I will duplicate this layer, duplicate, and edit. For the date it's Jan 12, then you can comma here and 2017, and I will change the font size to 18. Sorry, it's too big, 14. Okay, I think it's enough like this, and you can move like this. Maybe I will select again and go back again to regular, because we need the different here.
and I will decrease again the line height to 24. Okay, it's enough, like this. Okay, and the next one, we need to create the article here. So I will create new shape and then run, and like this, and get the margin left is 1. When you press Alt on your keyboard is 10 and 10. Okay, and then I will remove the border color and setting the radius to 5 pixel. We can see the button what kind of radius. It's 5 pixel, so it shall be 5 pixel. Well, we can select the title here, and we can duplicate the title, and then we can move inside of rectangle 4 and like this, and I will select the move on and change the color to the black. Okay, and then I will remove the shadow, and I will change the font size to 18, no, to 14. Okay, it's enough, 14. And I will change the font line to 18. Okay, and then we can change the text to another text, like a beautiful girl from the heart at a face. Okay, and then we can remove this one, because we don't need, and I will change the color to the black like this, and I will change the white to the light like this, and change the headline again to 16. Okay, and select and make to vertical line its middle, and then just make sure it's 10 like this. Okay, and then I need the image here, so we need another image, so I get this one, copy. We can copy and select, and we can paste here. Just waiting for the image, and I will select all of them layer and group selection, and then get the name is article, and select the rectangle 4 to change the name to BG, and I will click right and mesh and select the image. So we need to resize the picture. Okay, resize again, I think it's enough. Okay, and click right and ignore underlying mesh, so you will get like this. Okay, and you can repeat again the step. You can click here and duplicate and repeat again. Just make sure the margin top is 10 pixel, and you can repeat again, duplicate again. Okay, like this. So in the next video we will design the single for detail about our article. Okay, so in the previous video we have designed like this, but actually I fixed my article to create a different article, so you can do it by yourself. Okay, and now I want to make this home screen scroll animation in the Flinto later. So we just need to select this layer, select this group. Select this group, and then I will duplicate and move to the bottom, move like this. So the article it shall be like this, because we will scroll and scroll again. Okay, so I will duplicate again, and move again like this. Okay, and select this group and move to artboard home screen. Okay, so it's hidden. It's not problem, because we will make it into animation in Flinto. And then select the big article, select this layer, and go to go to layer, image, go to layer and flatten to selection to bitmap. So it will be like this, bitmap. Okay, and select the big article and click right and ungroup. Boom. Okay, so I will select this layer, click right and ungroup. Okay, so we will duplicate the home screen, and change the name of screen to the single screen, because it's single. Okay, so you can delete the group one by one, the layer, just left this. Okay, and then I will select the BG and Command Z, and then click here to unlock the size perspective. So we can resize like this, resize again, and then resize again, and then resize like this. So we can move the images to the top, move. Okay, and then we can resize the image, resize and resize, and like this. Okay, it's pretty cool. So the next one, I want to create the text here. So we select this text, and then I will make this text to the big 12. It's enough, 12, and select the line and edit to 26, and we can give the margin like this. Okay, and you can complete the text. Okay, it's only dummy, so don't be seriously. And then I will create the paragraph here, but I need the lorem ipsum, so I'm going to lipsum.org, because we need the sample content. Okay, I will copy this text, and then I will duplicate this layer, maybe I will enter this. Okay, and get the margin 12 like this. Okay, and then I will change the font size to 14, and we can paste here and change the line to 18, and then we just need to escape. Okay, and then I will edit the paragraph, and you can press enter and then enter and enter. Oops, you can enter again to another paragraph, enter and enter and enter again and enter again and enter. Okay, so we have like this. I will increase the line height. Okay, the line height it shall be 24 like this, and I will change the color like this. Okay, so we have the splash screen, home screen, and single screen. And then in the next video we will make it into animation with a Flinto for Mac. Okay, so before we go to Flinto, I want to make sure we have the primary key for the animation in the Flinto later. So you can go to home screen and select this layer and go to layer and flatten selection to bitmap, and we can give the name of key 1 and go to single screen, and then you can select all of them to go to layer and flatten selection to bitmap, and you need to change the name to K1 because it's relate in the Flinto relate. Okay, so let's do it. I will export first the artboard to Flinto plugin and send it to Flinto. If you don't have the plugin, you can install it, or you can buy the Flinto, so you will get the sketch plugin. Okay, so sending to Flinto, setting the scale 100 and sending to Flinto. And this is our Flinto. So in the next video we will getting started with the Flinto animation. So in this video we will create the animation step by step with a Flinto for Mac. Okay, so you can click here the get started button and create link, and you can target here to the home screen and then new transition, and this is a star patch, and when we click this get started, so it'll be like this. Okay, it's cool, but I want to make beautiful, so I select this one, select, and then I will select all of them like this, and then I will get the timing, it's classic, and setting the duration to 900, and the delay it shall be 500. Okay, and then I want to make to the right like this, and setting the opacity to 0, so we can start here. You can see it's cool, right? Okay, we can preview here, so I click here. Wow, it's nice. Easy dude. So we can save and exit. Okay, and then I want to select this layer, all of them like this, and then I want to make a group here
you can see group here, group. Okay, and then you can scroll to vertical, and you can setting this to the top like this. Okay, and then I want to preview first. We get start, and we can like this, but it's still not good, so we need to modify the scroll animation. Okay, well, we have group here with scroll item, and I want to group again this one. I want to group this layer January, move on, and bitmap. I want to group it to big article. Okay, so we have two group here, so I want to select all of them, and then behavior, so it shall be like this. And we need to create new statement here, new statement, new state. And then I want to select the big article, and the bitmap we can like this, and the move on and January we can move to the top and gone. So you can see like this. And then I want to select the bitmap and gone. Okay, and then I want to select the scroll item and create link to new state here, and select the gesture it's scroll, so I can preview and gone. It's easy, right? Okay, we can save and exit. So in the next video we will make home screen to the single screen. Okay, so in the previous video we have designed the animation from the splash screen to the home screen, and now we're getting start from home screen to the single screen. Alright, so I will double click here, double click, and I get the layer which the boys will realize, and then we can create link and select the target to the single screen and new transition. And then you can see here the checkbox with align screens, so I will click. Okay, and then we can select the group and scroll item and the key one. You can see the key one here and the key one here. You can connect the layer, and then I want to select this layer and move to the bottom, and setting the opacity to the 0, so you can see the result like this. It's cool, right? You can select the delay to 300 millisecond. It's cool. So we can preview for the beginning, get start, and then this is the scroll animation and like this. And then I want to make this is scroll, so we need to save and exit. And then you can see this layer, you can see, and I want to select this layer and go to group and scroll group and select the vertical and setting the height like this. You can setting, and then I want to select this layer and behavior, and you can create a new statement like we did in the last video, and select the key one and resize and remove the opacity to the 0 like this. Okay, so in the initial page we select the scroll group and create link to the new state and done, and then we can preview and go back again and select and like this. Okay, it's cool, right? And save and exit. So congratulations, you have to learn about Flinto in this video, and you have to learn about Sketch app in this course. Okay, so before I close this class, I want to show you about how to record and how to save your animation in MP4 or MOV. So we go to preview, and you can see the button here with a circle. This button for start and stop recording the preview window. So we're gonna to click, and it's ready for record. So you can click get start and scroll to the bottom and back to the top and tap here and scroll to the bottom and back to top and go back to home and stop recording. You can save your preview into your animation. Okay, so this is read block app animation. You can save it, and then you can play. This is the .mov. You can play with your media player, or you can convert it to the GIF. You can find the tutorial in the Google how to convert to the GIF version. This is the final result, and congratulations, you have to learn so much in my class. Okay, so see you.
Hi everyone, thank you for joining my class, and then you have finished this class with a good result. Okay, well, I hope you can give me the feedback or review, and then if you have any question, please let me know and I will help you, and it's free. Okay, well, thank you very much for joining my class, and see you the next class.